Don't you guys just love technical difficulties? Let me go ahead and change this background real quick so it's not, Here we go. God, that's so loud. You guys won't be able to hear it because I have the NVIDIA crap on. See that? The disc is in, and that's a CD. Sucks. I hate when this happens. I am live, right? Yes, I am. Yeah, Leighton style. I hate this crap. I hate it. Also, if you notice, there's not any background noise because I'm using my microphone instead of my stupid phone, so now there won't be any choppiness, hopefully. I'll start recording. Remind me to start recording if I don't. Also, my mic, I just realized it's probably too loud, so I'll turn it down a little bit. There we go. Is that any better, or is it still too loud? A lot of rainy nights. Finally, Ventoy opened. Well, of course, that's how it works, Journoid. It's just because I'm trying to get Ventoy to work, and I don't know what's happened lately, but Ventoy is not working like it used to. It'll sit there and try to format it and then freeze. Sucks, because it's ruining my freaking plans that I had for the video. The stream. And I don't exactly have a good setup to take apart the computer on the camera. I wonder, I do have a USB... Actually, I do have a USB DVD drive, so I might have to be able to use that instead. Let's see. Let me figure out how to unplug it. How that figures. Got too much stuff in the way right now. I'm sort of going through a movement. As you can see, the setup is completely different than it was last time. I just hope the BIOS recognizes this as a USB drive. See, I got this Asus one. It's not really good, but it works. And it's, you know, USB... Oh, wait, what the heck? That's USB-C. Crap. I don't have any cables that look like this. I do have a USB... Oh, shoot, man. Why do I keep screwing myself over like this? I didn't even see your comment. Huh. Now I'm not sure what to do. Ventoy's being crap. My freaking drive doesn't work in this thing. Oh, okay, yeah, I don't know how I didn't see that comment. wish I had a USB-C to USB-A, but I don't. Oh man, this sucks. Oh, Foulware, that probably got deleted. Made the villager noise. That won't do anything. Crap. I'm screwed. So I don't have any cables that would work. What the heck was that? What? What's so funny? I wonder if they actually gave me a USB-A one. I'll be right back. I gotta go check my drawer, and it's in the other room, so it's just gonna be silent for a bit. Don't you just love having a whole wad of wires? I'm pretty sure none of them actually do anything. I mean, do anything. None of them actually fit. But there's one that intrigued me. I was kind of confused because it's kind of like a splitter. It's like this. It's got these two different things on it. I'm not exactly sure why, but I'm going to see if using just one of them will work. No, they will not. This kind of looks like a it kind of looks like a Nintendo DS or DSi charger. Oh man. Oh me, oh my, oh me, oh my. I don't think I have any other cables. It looks so bad, huh? There's also this one. I don't even know what this is for. I assume it's for some sort of printer. I don't know why I have it. Why can't they just use normal freaking USB, or at least micro USB or whatever, USB-C? Because I have normal USB-C to USB-A. See? normal USB-C to USB-A, but not this crap. It's so stupid. I don't know what to do now. Cato, you didn't miss the freaking installation. I've been live for 10 minutes. This is Windows 7. Doesn't look anything like Windows XP. My disk drive is freaking busted, and I don't have a freaking cable for my external one because for some reason it's USB-C only, and I can't find my USB-A one. I'm getting upsetty over it. Ventoy doesn't work either, like always. Really. Well, now what? Now what do I do? Right, the ISO to a different HDD. Yeah, but that doesn't freaking... Okay, maybe if I use Rufus instead of Ventoy, it will work. Let me try that. Rufus? Ew. Somewhere. There it is. I usually always use Rufus, but I don't know. I don't know why this stuff just refuses to open sometimes. Ventoy took forever to open too, but... claims another freaking thing is open already. This is so... I shouldn't even have to go through this. Understand why these programs refuse to freaking open whenever I do, and when I try to open another one, it says, oh, hey, there's one that's already open. Sure, I've never heard of ISO to USB. Why do I have to go through these problems, man? Hey, there we go. All I had to do was open a different file and it opened. Alright. Flags. Ready. Alright, now it's deleting the partitions. This may take a while. I hate this. I hope this thing boots from the USB, because if it doesn't, then I'll be really ticked off. Another thing about this, this thing, if that background moves too much, then the computer will lock up and it won't work anymore. I don't. Well, this is my Papaw's computer, and they've had it for a long time. I mean, look, it comes with Windows Vista. It has a hard drive that has like you can actually. It has audible clicks when it reads when the head moves around. Well, while we wait, I'm gonna go ahead and play some solitaire. How do I already have 7 viewers when I'm having issues? It's so weird. I wish you guys could hear the noises. I don't know why it's doing that. Hello, Super Wow. How do I do the funny? What do you mean I do the funny? Well, it looks like it's already halfway there. I don't really have a mouse pad for this mouse that I'm using, so that's why I'm not going as fast as I could be. Music. That's funny. I can't even hear it. I'm glad though, because if I put my headset on and listen to the music, then I get like distracted and I can't think properly. I forgot about the key. Thanks for that. If you don't mind, whenever I actually go to install it, can you remind me? Because I know I'll forget. Still halfway done. Blender Minecraft opening tutorial working 2023. That's so true, Mason. I completely forgot about that. I didn't even think about it. God, I usually have it prepared, but I actually did have it prepared, as you can see. I got the disc here. The disc is here, but go figure, the freaking drive doesn't work. Thank you, Ben, I appreciate it. Yeah, what I'm worried about with this thing, since this thing come with Windows Vista, I hope that, I mean, you know, when Windows Vista came out, it was around that time, so I just assumed that it would load on this computer. But if it doesn't even load on this computer, I'm going to be heated, because it's already hot in here. Ugh, it's 3/4 of the way, guys. Yeah, that's very true. I will definitely embarrass myself if I get too hot. I'll overheat and then get super mad. But what are streams for? You can leave it on and just talk while you wait. Ah, shoot. I saw it. I hope this Dell Tower works. Again, I mean, it's Windows embedded, POS ready. 2009 is, and you know, when Windows Vista came out, I just hope the drivers are actually on the ISO. Because I remember I tried to install Windows XP on this machine before, and it didn't work. It would blue screen every time because, or it wouldn't blue screen at all. It would just say that it didn't have the drivers on the disk for it. Yeah, super well. I don't know about IBM stuff. I mean, I have an IBM machine and it's Windows 95, but I think it's Windows. It might be my Windows 98 machine. I can't remember. It's in my shed outside, so I don't remember that well. But all right, looks like it's about finished. You know, if I had a sponsor, that would have been a very good segue. Oh, it is done. Cool. All right. Let me go ahead and test it first. I don't even know if you guys could hear the sounds or not. Let's see. Would you look at that? What the heck? Does this thing even know? It's got it's got that icon. Can this? Okay, I'm just gonna test before I start the recording to see if it can boot off the USB. Because if it can't, then I'm just going to not. It's the oh shoot, I can't remember. I think it's the afternoon. It could be the USA theme. All right. Go into the setup. I could have just gone into the boot menu. I should have done that instead. And yes, this over here is my computer. That's how tall the tower is. Very tall. Go into F12, loading boot menu. Is it really Ben? I didn't know that. Yeah, I know. There's no freaking seek. Alright. Well, there's USB here, but can it boot into anything? Press any key to boot to USB? Well... I mean, it says it... Oh, hey, wow, hey, look at that! Windows 2000 much? But it is working, so maybe I should stop this here and just start the recording? So far, it's just loading. What do you guys think? Should I go ahead and do the recording? There it goes, it's loading. I'm not going to spoil myself on what it looks like because I don't remember that much. I just remember it's like blue with like blue squares. So I'm going to keep it unplugged. This is the keyboard and mouse. This goes to my speaker. No, I can't. So I guess I'll go ahead and start recording and do the intro and stuff. So just bear with me just a second. Let me press the start recording button. Alright, I'm now recording. And, alright, I'm going to do the intro for the video. Okay, 3, 2, 1. Alright, so as you can see, before I start the video, look, I got a blood blister. Very unfortunate, it's freaking huge too. I sort of hit it with a rubber mallet. But, alright, let me start the video. 3, 2, 1. Hey guys, Oliver Windows here, and today I am back with another video, and whoa, look at that! My setup is wait, I'm not using a laptop? Told you I don't have, I told you I have more than just laptops. But today what I'm going to be doing in this video is I'm going to be installing Windows Embedded 2000, wait no, hang on, let me say that again. Windows Embedded, POS Ready 2009. So the disk drive in this computer does not work, unfortunately. So I was forced to put it on this USB stick. Fortunately, this thing does boot from USB. I mean, it's a Windows Vista machine. I would hope it would, but I guess without further ado, let's get right into the video. So first, I'm going to go ahead and plug the USB in here, and go ahead and power it on. Of course, it's got to be really loud whenever it turns on. Go ahead and push F12. All right, loading boot menu. For Windows Embedded. Yeah, pretty much. I don't have a freaking floppy drive. Alright, go down and select the Kingston Data Traveler. And it should boot into USB. There we go. And I'm going to fix the camera so you guys can see it better. Oh wait, I don't have to zoom in that much. Forgot. I gotta move my external disk drive out of the way first and then scoot it up, because I can do that. Very convenient actually now. Because I'm not using a laptop, I can actually get the camera pretty dang close. Setup, starting installation environment. And then it does the typical Windows XP thing where it says press F6 to run that. Okay. Alright, there we go. So I'm running this on a Dell Inspiron 530. It has an Intel Core 2 Duo in it. Oh, what the heck? It's got the Windows XP logo. I didn't realize that. Anyways, this thing, I think it has a 500 gigabyte hard drive. It has 2 gigabytes of RAM, so it's not that much, but it's more than I need for the operating system. Auto adjust in pro. Look at that. Setup is initializing. Ooh, pretty. I like this. Dang, there's like a lot more like options here. No blue screen with F6. Hang on, let me fix the chat. I'll move it over a little bit so I can see better. I keep getting notifications on my laptop, so it cuts the thing off. I've used this operating system before. I just don't remember what it's like. I know I like it. All right, good. The mouse and keyboard do work. So, all right. Welcome to the Windows Embedded POS Ready 2009 Setup Wizard. This wizard will guide you through the installation process. To continue, choose Next. No problem. So I'll do the interactive setup. I won't do the unattended because I'm sitting here doing nothing anyways. So I'll just go ahead and push Next. All right, Ben, time to give me the product key. Thank you. You just immediately gave it to me. All right. Microsoft, don't sue me. To be honest, I don't even remember where I got this ISO from. I keep forgetting where my mic is. I keep wanting to look at my phone. Alright, push Next. Hey, that key worked. Thanks. And I have it in recording just in case I ever forget it. Or the live, really. I accept. I agree. My name is Gabe. My organization is AOW. No additional storage drivers are required. Setup will use storage drivers from POS Ready installation media. Which one should I choose? The first one or the second one? What do you guys think? What do you think would be better? That's true, Crystal. I know either or, but the first one will do. Okay, I'm just saying because I don't know if this ISO has the proper drivers for my hard drive I have, and it's a SATA hard drive. I know Windows XP doesn't like it very much, And I actually downloaded an ISO that had all the SATA drivers on it. It just didn't work. But there it is. There's all my partitions. So, So, my unpartitioned space isn't on here. Just my other... Interesting. Well, looks like I'm restarting the computer and freaking partitioning the 131 gigabytes I had. I don't know why it's like that. Bruh. I'm not factory resetting this thing. I've made an unpartitioned disk part because this has memories on it. This was my grandparents' computer, so it has a bunch of pictures and stuff on it I don't want to get rid of right now. So, all right, push F1. Okay, can this monitor go up any higher? I don't know if it can. It cannot. Somehow I gotta like drop my phone down while also making it not look so silly. Yeah, I don't like to format the hard drive unless like I know there's nothing on them. But since I know what's actually on this hard drive, I'm not gonna do it. Man, why is that so freaking blurry on the camera? It usually auto adjusts by now. Just wait. Yeah, there it is. It played it. All right. Disk. Well, good lord, that scared me. What? No, that's not what I pushed. Yeah, I gotta love that Windows 7. So let me see what which theme this is. Yeah, it's United States. That's what I thought it was. Alright. So the unallocated, I'm going to do new simple volume and just leave it at that. Keep it at K. Next. All this should be the same. Next, finish. Now we gotta wait on it to finish that up. Format, there we go. Alright, now I gotta freaking restart the computer again. Yeah, I know, right? I didn't even actually used to use that theme. I started using that when I got into Windows, like into it for some weird reason. I just liked it so much. Alright, boot back into the boot menu. There it goes. Doo-doo-doo. I know, seek failure. I wish the freaking floppy drive was in this. I don't even think it has one. I should disable that in the BIOS. Alright, now to go through the setup again. I know, right? And did you know that the United States theme is actually called Delta in the files? It's not even called United States, it's just called Delta, which is very odd, and it doesn't have anything to do with Windows Delta Edition either. I learned that whenever I was looking through it, and Sky told me, because, you know, the creator of Windows XP Delta Edition. Starting pre-installation environment. Is my stream on my laptop delayed? Yeah, okay, I was gonna say, it's not, like, as caught up as it could be. I wish that this had like some special like boot up. I really do. That would be really cool if it did. So does that mean it has the Windows XP log on and log off and, you know, turn on and turn off? Press any key for command prompt. Thank you again, Ben. I appreciate that, because I was literally just about to ask. Alright, interactive, and then the key again. And there we go. I accept the terms, or the agreement, whatever you want to call it. Obviously got to type my name and my organization. And next. Alright, now it's going to load. Oh, it's just Windows XP Service Pack 3? Does it have, like, newer drivers, though? Well, doesn't matter. I forgot that this partition here, it actually shows up, so... Wait. Can I not just select a partition? If I delete the partition, will it work? Super wow, I don't know. YouTube doesn't even allow people that young, but... That's why you just don't tell people your age, I don't know. If I delete this partition, will it still show up? Or what's happening here? Why won't it work? I can't do anything with it. I can't do anything with this either. I guess, Well, I could choose next on these partitions, but I can't choose next on this one. Is this not a... Oh, I'm an idiot. I didn't tell it to be a primary partition. Yep. And it's gone again. Alright. One more time. Boot back into freaking Windows 7. I thought I made it a primary partition. I don't know why it's not. Or how to do it. You're a little late there, Cato. You could have told me that before I restarted. It's okay. I have to repartition it now anyways. Or do you mean press F10 after I delete the partition? It's actually set to super low. Make sure you press the live button and make sure you're like live, like, because there's not really that much of a delay. It's at least 3 seconds, or at most 3 seconds. Do I have to reformat this partition, though, Mason? No worries, at least this boots up fast all of a sudden. It's kind of weird. Whoops. Hey, when it does that. Why does it do that every time? It says something's disconnected. Hello, Miles. How are you doing? Alright, let's try this one more time. New simple volume. Next. Next. Okay. How do I tell it that it's a primary, though? Because it's not dark blue. How do I make it a primary? I don't usually have this problem when I do stuff like this. I've never actually seen this before. Does anybody know how to make this a primary instead of a whatever this light blue color is? I've never had this problem. Is my chat working? Why is the chat suddenly gone quiet? into a what? How do I create the partition and disk part? I've never, honestly, I don't know. I'm not that familiar with commands. See, I gotta make it like system, boot, page file, active, all that stuff. Primary partition right there. But now it's just a logical drive according to this. There's gotta be a way to do it. I just don't remember how. It's been a long time since I've messed with hard drives and doing all this stuff. I really don't want to pull up a YouTube video. GPT. I don't know. Does GPT even work for hard drives? All right. Alright, I found the instructions for disk part, so give me just a second. I can't see my chat right now. Bang! Right. List disk. What? I guess it's disk 0. Let's see. Oh, yeah. Select disk 0. List partition. Alright, and then select partition 4. Wait, why is there... I've got 2 of them. I've got extended and I've got logical. Both of them say 131. Whatever, I guess I'll choose 4 since it says it's logical. Actually, no, I'll choose 0 because it says it's extended. Alright. Extended partition is not empty. There we go. Oh. Create partition. What is going on? I don't understand what the heck is going on. Let me try list partition again. List partition. Ah. Okay. So. Okay. It deleted the partition that time. There we go. Well, my best bet is definitely not using another hard drive because there's no way I'm doing that. Hey, would you look at that? It's now a primary partition. It says it's raw, but that should be... Would that work still? And DFW, I did actually. Whenever I launched the installation, the partition was there. I deleted the partition, but it doesn't show unpartitioned space on there for some reason. But alright, let's see if this works. I'll go ahead and restart it one more time. Sorry about this. I figured it out, I hope. Anyways. For some reason, there was two partitions for the same drive, which was... Or the same partition, which is very weird. Yeah, you're right. It's a pretty interesting video if I keep it in there. Also, yes, this is just a big smudge of dead pixels. Because it fell when it was in the shed. It hit something right there, but somehow it just broke that spot and not the rest of it. Wait, why didn't it boot into the USB? What the heck? I just now realized it wasn't booted because I looked at my live stream and I saw the Windows 7 boot up. Whoa. You see the color weirdness up there? Yeah, no, that's not a mouse pointer. Alright, let's try this again. Why? I pushed a button. Well, there's the freaking sound. Come on. It's being slow all of a sudden. Tell me what, about the dead pixel area? Yeah, you can see the scratch right here where it fell. It's just that's where the pixels actually died at on this the screen when it the scratch. Oh, yeah, I looked away for a second. It's crazy how fast it goes by, honestly. Right, let's try again. Boot. There it goes. I feel like you're not the first person. I'm just worried about my phone dying again. It's at 75%. I'm hoping it doesn't die again. I need, like, an actual camera to connect to it. Which, I have a camera, I just can't mount it. I don't really have a mount for it. It's more like a webcam than an actual camera to record screens with. I've been having to drink this freaking energy sip from this circle bottle. Alright, finally booting back into Windows XP. Let's hope the freaking partition actually works. Alright, Ben, you know what to do. Next. Next. Product key. Make sure to push the live button, because sometimes YouTube likes to put a bigger delay than there actually is. You have to re-push the live button. Well, I guess I'm gonna have to scroll up. There it is. Awesome. Yeah, thanks, Mason. I actually scrolled up already. Alright, I accept. Next, please show up. Please show up this time. Please work. Please don't freaking screw me over again. Yeah, Rainy Nights, I actually did a little bit of research, and I read that on the, what was it, beta wiki or whatever. Alright, is it gonna work? Yes! Next. Okay. Freaking finally! Good lord. I'm just gonna perform a quick format, I'm sure it will be fine. Thank you. Install files for complex script and right to left languages. Install files for... I don't think I'll need these. I am in the US. I'm not in Pacific time. I am in Eastern time, which is down here a little bit. I think? No, wait. It's the other way. Ugh, I hate this. Alright, go up, 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 up. Eastern time. Next. Should I do custom and just like select everything? And Ben, you sent the key a long time ago, but you didn't send it again. Should I do custom and select everything? Okay. I love doing this. Oh god. Here we go. I'm putting stuff I don't even need on here. Touchscreen keyboard, which I don't have a touchscreen. Windows Media. Wait. Oh, it's just Windows Media Player. Alright. What? Paging file size. What? What does this even mean? Oh, wow. Rainy Nights. Should I keep it at where it's at right now, or select system manage size? I don't understand. I'm not exactly certain what this is for. Okay. I wasn't sure. Computer name. AOW-win US. Now here's a good question. Does this have any audio? Ha, okay. Sure. So that means I can't... Okay, I can't do it without a password. Got it. There we go. Ooh. I'll figure this out later. Wait, can I not just check it and it does it automatically? No. Install. Alright, we're installing. Here we go. Let's go. Let's do this. Copying core OS components. Yeah, I know, right? DFW? Installing drivers for plug-and-play devices. Oh, good lord, that took too long. I wish I could turn the, or like, move the monitor up higher, because it's kind of at an angle. Maybe I can tilt it back a little bit. Let's see. There we go. That should have helped a little bit. I hate that the top is like black for you guys. I'm not exactly certain as to why that's the case, but... Oh, it only comes... That's okay. My hopefully it has USB drivers. Oh wow, it's already restarting. Hopefully it has USB drivers, because I've got a USB that I have a browser on and stuff. Alright, let's see what happens. Yes, yes. I seriously need to disable that. That's super annoying. Alright, what's gonna happen? I wonder if it'll try to boot into a bootloader. So I can select between the two operating... Oh, shoot! Crap. Okay. I gotta look up how to enable a bootloader then. Oh wow, DFW, I didn't realize that either. Oh shoot, okay. I can't remember how to enable a freaking bootloader. Let me look it up. Do 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 do. Okay, so do this. Command. PC edit. Wait, what? Can I not do bootloader in Windows 7? Piano. You see a piano? This was my grandfather's desktop. Yeah, I don't know. I remember that being there now. I don't remember it. Okay. Oh, it's BCD edit, duh. Freaking dang it. Here comes the noise. Hopefully. Hello? There it is. I was waiting on that. Okay. BCD edit. Not with an apostrophe. There we go. What? Alright, so... Interesting. I mean, there's Windows Boot Manager. Oh, wait, what? Partition isn't even on here. What is going on with this freaking installation? Why do I keep having so many problems? It's considered a new volume, which is fine. I guess I can give it a letter. There we go. Alright, let's try that again, maybe... Let's try BCD edit again. Nope. What if I marked it as active? Would that do anything? Yes. Okay. Of course, the boot manager is still not on there, but if it's active, does that mean it'll try to boot into the bootloader now? Let me just restart and see what happens. That's funny, Rainy Nights. Every time I say something, you just come up with the same idea. And I can't see that you're in my chat whenever I'm looking at this computer because it's literally a full 90-degree turn my head has to turn to look at my laptop. I wonder if F8 would work. Well, let's see. Well, what did I do? Figures. It wouldn't be me if it didn't say this. I see this all the freaking time. NTLDR is missing. I'm just gonna leave it alone. What do I do to fix this? Why do I keep having problems today? Shoot. It can't boot from the CD. No, it says boot from CD, but it's not actually doing that. It says that no matter what. That's just a thing. Alright, let's try to reinstall like they say. Rainy Night says. Okay. Get out of the freaking screen, you stupid light ring light. No matter what I do, the ring light's just there in a corner. Sorry, dang it, I forgot to push the button. So I was too busy dealing with it with my camera. Come on now. Hurry up. Oh my lord. It's funny, I tend to only have these problems when I'm on a desktop. Because, I mean, look at the laptop and how many freaking builds I've done and videos on them. I don't ever have this problem. But then I get into stuff like this. I've been live for an hour and it's still not even installed. And there's the Windows XP boot again. Alright, let's try this another time. Hopefully it's the last time. Freaking product key. What? Wait, what did I type wrong? 7p. AGRMV, TWGH, TWGH, 43Y2. 7PG. Ah, it's CB. There we go. Oh gosh. So, if I choose this partition, and I push next, If it erases all the data, does that just screw me over again? It's probably because I set it to have the K instead of C. I know that usually doesn't do anything. Quick, push next, and let's see what happens. Go through all this crap again. Okay, next. All right. Here we go, one more time. What is it, the second time's the charm? Third time? What is this, the fourth time now? God, I don't know. Yeah, it was going well. It wasn't really going well. You weren't here at the beginning of the stream. I sat there for like 10-15 minutes just trying to put this thing over to a USB stick instead of CD. Because there's a bug going on with my computer where if I open Ventoy, it doesn't open until I open a different program. If I try to open Rufus, it doesn't open unless I open a different program. I just don't understand what's going on, but it's one of those days. Man, I don't know how I'm going to freaking edit this to make it more interesting. I think the fails make it interesting. Alright, let's restart it and let's see what happens. Please just boot up. That's all I ask. Well, it doesn't say. Hey, it worked! Look at that! Now, how the heck am I gonna. Oh man. How the heck am I gonna get back into the other operating system? Oh well, I know how I'll fix it. You love Lukey? Yep, it worked. Freaking worked. Clap, clap, clap. I just slapped the freaking blood thing on my finger and it stings again. First boot agent didn't see what it said. Thank you for telling me how to do this. Holy crap, that is a huge mouse. What? Yeah, DFW, what's going on? Alright, now it's installing a bunch of stuff. See, I want to eventually set up an actual computer to run this operating system on it, to have an actual POS running on it. Like, have a touchscreen and whatever. But basically buy an actual POS and install POS operating systems on it. Yep, first boot agent is starting. Man, I'm hearing some clicking going on in one of my computers. I can't tell which one it is. My phone's at 67% now. Alright, now it's installing PNP device. Oh man, what does PNP mean? I can't remember. I know PTP is peer-to-peer. But PNP. I hope it doesn't take too long. I'm just glad it actually has the freaking SATA drivers on it. classic logon is enabled, but the welcome screen can be enabled. Okay, I'm gonna have to be taught how to do that because it's not on the beta wiki like the other stuff is on Whistler. So do you guys think I should go ahead and, for my next stream, I should go ahead and start the Longhorn series? I know I have some ISOs that don't want to do, like, boot properly or whatever, but... Oh, plug and play. That's what the N is. I was thinking it's supposed to be an A for some reason. I'm just dumb. Nobody calls it plug and play anymore. I sort of just forgot. I don't know why, but YouTube keeps jumping my concurrent users around from, like, you know, 13 to 15 down to 6 and then back up. It's weird. Yeah, I kind of want to do, like, 3 different, like, videos instead of doing the 2 that I'm doing, because it's kind of stupid just having, like, one video be a series, the next video is a random video like this one, and then the next video is that same series that the last 2 video was. Or the videos, you know what I mean. Man, I just hope this thing has proper drivers, or the drivers work on it, like USB drivers, for example. I mean, the mouse and keyboard seem to work. Well, I stand corrected. Hopefully, the drivers work. Because I don't have any way of installing them. Make sure to leave a like on the video, by the way, just so I can, you know, get hit with the algorithm. Nice. I now have 12 likes. Thank you, guys. Man. You know what? I just realized plug and play could also be considered USB. So maybe when this gets done, they Yep. I literally I saw the loading icon on the cursor, and I look, and the mouse lights up. It's one of those ones where the laser actually lights up, and when it's not being used, it doesn't light up. And I just saw it light up, so hey, we got USB. That's good. Holy crap. 16 likes now. It says 15 for me, but still. Really makes you think if, I guess YouTube doesn't know how to keep up with how many people are viewing the stream. Because it says I have like okay, I have 2 sections. They both say concurrent viewers. One of them says I have 9, one of them says I have 10. Show the mouse again? Okay. It's cheap. It's a really cheap Walmart brand. I got it for Christmas. Well, see, it's I don't know what this brand is. But it's a mouse and keyboard combo, so the mouse and keyboard both go through the same USB thing. Installing network, even though it doesn't have network, which it will have network after it gets installed, hopefully. What the heck? It says I dropped down to 3 concurrent viewers back to 9. See, I don't understand what's going on. Anco? I've never heard of that brand. I've heard of Anchor and Otao, but I don't think they make mice. I wonder what's causing that clicking noise. I hope it's this desktop and not my actual main PC. Oh, joining work group. I've always wanted to legitimately use a work group, but now, you know, Windows got rid of it. Like, it's not really, it doesn't really ask you if you want to join a work group anymore. Staplers. Sounds like Samsung. You know, Samsung makes, I don't know if they still do, but they did make, like, excavators and all that stuff, like huge machinery. For the longest time, there was a claw excavator sitting at around where I lived a long time ago, and it said, they had the Samsung logo and plastered on the side of it. Oh, you use Windows 7 Delta on your main? Wow. I wouldn't do that just because it's not supported anymore. I mean, my main has Windows 11 Dev on it, so my laptop has Windows 11 Canary, which I haven't seen that many improvements on Canary yet. Old games won't work on E, but what about the Windows 7 games for Windows 8, 10, and 11? You can get that for those. You can get those for that, with that. So why doesn't it tell me what the heck it's installing right now? It's just got a loading loading. That's it. What does LTSC mean? GTA San Andreas doesn't work on Windows 11? Oop, installing components. So, San Andreas, how does San Andreas not work? I mean, it's literally on the Google Play Store. You can buy it for your phone. Well, that's weird. That just sounds like a bug. Oh, okay. So basically you get updates longer than normal people would get. The normal retail one would get. 2031, good lord. That's meant for, like, businesses to use, isn't it? That clicking noise is my desktop. Hey. Oh, I see. Haha, I see what it is. I had a USB-C cable hanging down and it was leaning up against it. The USB-C cable charges my headset. Well, that's interesting, Rainy Nights. Oh, hey, look at that. Microsoft Visual C++ 2005. Like those, it's for like those businesses who don't really need the updates. Yeah, I guess that's fair. Does it only get like major updates that like are 100% not broken, that have been tested? It probably gets them late too, but... Omar, yeah, you missed a lot. I've been live for an hour and I'm just now getting this thing installed. Make sure to leave a like on the video, though. But no, seriously. So much crap happened. Literally, for the first hour, I was trying to get this stupid thing installed. Once every 4 years, good lord. It seems like most people don't even know about that then, because I've never seen that before, and I always see, like... Okay, so my bank that I go to, I took a picture of it and I posted it on my Discord. I walk in and I look and they have a TV that just has random pictures of like the bank related items or the weather. And they have Windows 11 on their computer. I was extremely shocked. — 500 megabyte ISO of Microsoft Visual Basic Pro? Dang. $18 likes, that's amazing. Thank you so much for the likes. I never even think about asking people to like my video, or like my live stream, because, I don't know, I'm just not used to going live, I guess. But I gotta remember, if people like it, the algorithm is like, oh hey, this live stream's interesting, boom, more people, you know what I mean? Windows 10 has the Microsoft Store bloat. Oh, okay, that's interesting. I'm sure it still has the Microsoft Edge bloat, though. I find it funny because I use Edge. I still use Edge. And now I have Bing built in, so I can use the AI. Whoa. That just looks like Minecraft 1.12. Oh, it has on the latest. That's interesting. I need a blower that blows like air really strong because, I mean, this desktop is really loud because there's a lot of dust built up in it, and I don't have any way. I don't have canned air or anything to blow it out with. Dang. Well, yeah, that's fair actually. Internet Explorer wasn't discontinued at the time. Yeah, Omar, I've heard about that lately. Microsoft's been sending out like those pop-ups to people on unsupported hardware. And I think they do that to help push, try to push people to go buy a new computer. You want me to try Minecraft? The only downside is, since Minecraft is so new now, I'd have to play an old version. God, that sounds like a lot of work. Which I'm not saying I won't do it, I'm just saying it's just right now I don't have that much time. Obviously I have time today. I made time to have this stream, but I was hoping it wouldn't last this long. It wouldn't take this long, but it's okay. I don't usually talk this much, so my throat... Resetting setup flag, what does that mean? Anyways, my throat is starting to hurt. It sounds like whenever I sing too loud. Wow, Omar, I didn't know you lived in all my videos. Sorry. I had to say it. Wow, DFW. I only play it with Optifine, and the only time I play it is if I'm like on my Minecraft server. I'm still surprised it uses the Windows XP boot though. You'd think they'd have some custom one. Why does it say resetting setup flag again? What is a setup flag? I hope it's not stuck in some sort of loop. Yeah, Rainy Night's me as well. Journoid just randomly joins and says, oh hey, I use Fabric. Oh, it is? Okay. Yeah, I just don't remember this, and it's sort of stuck, and the hard drive isn't moving, but my mouse is, so I guess everything's okay. I just realized there's a Bluetooth light on this desktop. You've been idling? Oh. Huh. Thank you, Omar. I appreciate that. The hard drive isn't really flashing that much. I mean, it's barely doing stuff, but I guess I'll wait some more. Journoid, were you ever able to figure out the freaking issues you were having with GameMaker? Okay, there it goes, finally. Took it long enough. Yeah, I couldn't get into the animation stuff. I couldn't wrap my head around it when I started, and when I was young, so that's why. But now I just don't even bother. The amount of times this thing's gonna reboot. A collab account. That explains the username. Oh. Dang. No, I don't think it did. I hope it didn't. I mean, it says it's installing components again. I can move my mouse, so it's already got the drivers installed for it. Wait, what do you mean, Rainy Nights? What are you talking about? Yeah, I don't have that many songs. I need to get more. I wonder if Foulware is here. It's probably the song that he hates. Yeah, it's the song he hates. I still don't know why he hates it. Oh, yeah, I know, right? I was thinking that too. It's kind of funny. How to get free Robux 2023. I didn't know they used that song for that stuff. I never, like, heard it before. I might have heard it, I just don't remember. Knowing me. Usually intros, yeah, that's fair. This must be an old song. Man, it's getting hot in this room. As soon as I said that, the air conditioner kicked on. That's funny. I'm just gonna lean back here against my door and take a freaking nap. And I don't like taking naps either. For it to be interactive, there's not really that much to interact with. Well, that wouldn't surprise me. I mean, I have a Google Home next to me. A Google Home Mini on my wall. And I have a smart thermostat that's also Google, so it could have. I don't know. I could become a meme, but the camera isn't facing me either, so it wouldn't really be a good one, I guess. It says resetting setup flag again. I hope it can get past this and it's not in a freaking install loop. That would really suck. I gotta stretch my legs. I've sat freaking crisscrossed on the floor too long. It's restarted again though. What the heck? Journoid, that is such an old freaking meme I haven't heard you say in forever. Rainy Nights, is this an install loop? Is it stuck in a loop? Oh, it's not? The way you responded made it seem like it was in a loop. How does my mic quality sound, by the way? Does it sound way better? No, Mason, I haven't slept on stream before. It's an inside joke at this point. Yeah, it's a meme. It's doing the same thing, resetting setup flag. I know, right? I'm kind of surprised people have stuck around as long as y'all have. I'm not saying leave. Please don't leave. It's too boring when nobody's here. Oh, hey, look! It's not boot looped anymore. Awesome. So is this me creating the account now? Ah, it is not. Is admin capitalized or no? Administrator, is it capital or is it no? The A, I mean. Okay, there we go. That worked. Nice. I love how it got its own custom theme. So clearly there's no audio, which I'm sure I can get installed. But man, this thing is bare bones, but it's got a really cool theme to it. So there's not really much on here. I'm surprised media player's on here. Actually, no, I'm not. It is a POS. Get out of here. That's kind of funny. Wait, what? Keep your computer up to date. Ah, I see. I will notify me before doing that. Alright, cool. So there's no songs on here, which doesn't surprise me any. But man, look at this background. I've always loved this background. Oh, right, how do I enable the welcome screen? And does it look any different than the Windows XP one? Let's see. Also, not to mention, where the heck is Explorer? There it is, my computer. I'm just blind. Why does it count this as a setup? It's not a setup. Control panel user accounts. Alright. So I am enabling the welcome screen. Change the way users log on and off. Fast user switch cannot be used because offline files is currently disabled. Make changes to offline file settings. Okay. What? It says it's enabled. Why is it saying it's disabled when it's enabled? Or do I have to select this one as well? Hello? Disable it? It says it's because it's currently enabled. Oh, enabled, my bad. Sometimes I think I have dyslexia. Alright, by using the welcome screen, you can simply click your user account name to log on. For added security, you can turn off this feature and use classic logon. Alright. Use fast user switching. With fast user switching, you can quickly switch to another account without having to load any programs. Sure. Why? There we go. Alright, let's log off. Alright, cool. Nice. Typical welcome screen. It's just like Windows XP. So now let me I'm going to turn audio on. Or does it not have I see. Hopefully this thing has drivers for USB. Installing the drivers. Yeah, all these removable discs are actually for the, it's got like a bunch of like SD card slots. Alright, there it is. Now I gotta wait a little longer. Alright, cool. SDI. Let me go ahead and plug this in as well. Lock. Now I gotta let that install because I have to open SDI after I run this setup just so the drivers. Aw, what? For those who don't know, this is my this is a let's see, what's it called? Freaking thing. Whatever. It's a shoot, I can't think. It's basically for Wi-Fi. It's a Wi-Fi adapter. There we go. Maybe it'll show up in SDI. Dang, that sucks. It does not. Oh well. Select all. Including this. Oh, of course they're disabled. Whatever. Hopefully it doesn't crash. So it has a 64-bit only freaking file on it? How does that make any sense? I didn't even look. Are any of these audio? Yeah, okay. There's audio. Good. It's got a modem on it. I didn't even realize that. Hopefully there's a display driver on here. I didn't even think about looking for that. Okay, there it is. It says it's video Intel. So, alright, I guess I'm just going to let these drivers install for a little bit. I love SDI. It's so convenient. I wish I had another... Well, actually, I do. I have USB-A to Ethernet. I could run that off of my computer. Hello, Rainy Nights. Did the chat die? Yeah, the chat died. That's pretty normal. It does that sometimes. I could run the USB-A to Ethernet from my computer into my desktop. It might work like that. Would that work? Or would I have to like get some special program for it to work? Also, I think the chat died because I clicked on the button to give people ads. What was that? Did it crash? I hope it didn't crash. Nope. Supposedly, we now have audio. So let me check. Hey, we have audio. Let's go. Heck yeah. As you can see, boom, 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 boom. Look at that. Frick. Heck yeah. Now I gotta make sure that the sounds are actually where I need them to be with the turn on and off. Whoa. Hey, would you look at that? We got display. Nice. Awesome. Okay, good. Cool. Alright. Sweet. Thank the Lord. Whoa, what? Uh-oh. It's installing the, there we go. It's installing the USB drivers. Nice. Holy crap. It's doing so much right now. I can't even touch it. You have to go have fun? Okay, have fun, I guess, doing whatever you were doing. Make sure to leave a like if you haven't. I love how fast it installs too, just because of how old drivers are. Yeah, install AIM. Right. Install AIM on a POS. Alright. Doing the MISC, whatever the MISC is. Hey Chris, I'm doing okay, how are you? Foulware, the stream lasts as long as I want it to. And probably not very long anymore now because I'm almost done. Well, consume your dinner. Do it in the background. Alright, I finally have all the drivers installed, so I'm going to go ahead and reboot. I love how this has a skin on it. Oh, it doesn't anymore. Dang it. I just spoke too soon. I was hoping to... I don't know why, but for some reason I thought it was like Windows Vista. I don't know why. It does that because something DWM? I already forgot what I said. What did I say that's bringing up DWM? Oh, I remember now, because it's not Windows Vista. That's what I said. Gotcha. Okay. Alright. Well, what's gonna happen next? Ooh, the mouse is small. It's not big anymore. Hey, look at that. That's small too. Now I can freaking see everything properly. As if I couldn't see it already, but you know what I mean. Loading your personal settings. There we go. That's nice, isn't it? I don't know if it cut out for you guys, but that's nice. And it's much easier to see too, since it's the proper proper resolution. Awesome. Awesome to the max. Sorry. You can't see anymore? What do you mean? I wish I could get this installed. It says it's not a valid Win32 application, but it has the icon. What is it then? Because it doesn't tell me. I don't know. There's no compatibility things with it. I mean, yeah, it's small, but hey. Now, why couldn't I install the freaking other operating system I was trying to install on here? Man, the old Windows Explorer. I don't miss it. It's nostalgic, but I don't miss it, that's for sure. Alright. Let's see, is this too... Oh, I can't install Chrome, I don't have internet. Yeah, I know, that's what I was thinking. It could be 64-bit, but usually 64-bit ones don't show the icons. Because if you look here... Whoops. As you can see, this is the 64-bit, it doesn't have the icon. But the 32-bit one does. I was hoping that since I have it plugged in, SDI is going to be like, oh, I know what this is, I'll go ahead and install the driver for you. But unfortunately, no, that's not the case. And I don't... I have another one. I have another, like, internet thing, Wi-Fi thing, but it requires the use of a disk to install the drivers. Which, again, the disk drive is on here. Again, the disk drive on here is busted, so... Oh, well. So I guess what I'm going to do is... I might just go ahead and do the outro. Yeah, I could use an Ethernet cable, but if I do, then that means you won't see the stream anymore. Because my internet router is in a different room. And I have one Ethernet cable running from there to my desktop. And basically, I can do this offline. After the stream ends, I can just go ahead and do it. Unplug my main PC and plug it into this. That's probably what I'm going to do after the stream. But I'm going to go ahead and do the outro. I probably won't stay on the stream that long, but... Yep. Thank you for the stream. It was very interesting. Thank you for your time. Thank you for watching, Andreas. I appreciate it. How many drivers have to be connected to a computer? What does that even mean? I'm going to do the outro for the video real quick, and then I'll answer some questions. If anybody has any, of course. Let's back this up. Okay. So, yeah, guys, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Please hit that like button, subscribe if you're new. I hope you guys enjoyed me going through and having so many freaking issues with trying to install this thing on here. Thanks to the help of Rainy Nights, I was actually able to get it installed on here. All I had to do is kind of just, you know, reinstall it like, I don't know, 2 or 3 times. But yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed. Please hit that like button, subscribe if you're new. And I guess that'll be it. I'll see you guys later. Goodbye, guys. Alright, that's the outro. So, does anybody have, like, any questions? Anything, you know? Hello, Sumcat. Sorry you sort of missed the whole thing. I had some serious problems going on. I'll go ahead and turn it back on so you're just not looking at blank. You don't have an NVIDIA chip? Well, if you don't have the NVIDIA chip, then you don't need the drivers. Yeah. And the Windows Embedded POS Ready 2009 installation almost went wrong. Now it's remuxing the recording. So I have, you know, that much longer. It's actually, like, I don't know, maybe an hour and a half long. Hey, Sumcat, what's up? Oh, you just got home. Why aren't you in school, Mason? I just realized you should be in school, shouldn't you? Man, I don't know how I'm going to get back into Windows 7. Oh, you're sick, huh? Are you sick? Like, actually sick? Or are you just saying that to get out of school? With online classes. Yeah, that's fair. Reinstall. I'm not going to reinstall it, but it's 7/13 for me, but I don't know. Some people fake it to get out of school. I'm not saying you will. I'm just asking. I hope I said all of the specs for this thing, but this right here is the reason why Windows Explorer is full of a bunch of blank stuff. I mean, it's even got a Bluetooth button here. Yeah, I know school's required by law. I need to vacuum in here. There's too much fur flying everywhere. No, I think the Bluetooth is actually built into the desktop, but I've never actually been able to use it. Wait, that's not true. As you can see right here, down here, there's the Bluetooth icon. See? It just has Bluetooth built in. It's pretty cool. Lies. What's lies? Um, so, I know this is a POS system basically, but how do you actually set it up to be a POS system? You just have to install like third-party programs on it or something. Super wow, that doesn't surprise me. Actually, that does surprise me. Usually they have Chromebooks for computers over here. That's what I thought. Just to put on freaking third-party programs because you're basically you build it and then you port it over to a bunch of systems for like if they're for fast food chains and all that stuff. Yep, this is what POS Ready looks like. It's pretty cool. It's got its own theme. Here, I'll zoom it in a little bit better so you guys can see it. Alright, now this stupid freaking mount is garbage. So cheap. Basically, this is what it looks like. You get the gist. Yeah, usually, I mean, obviously teachers have the Windows ones, but you have Surface laptops there? Dude, those are expensive. See, whenever I was in school, they started assigning Chromebooks to the freshmen whenever I was a sophomore. No, wait. Freshman, sophomore, junior. I was a junior. I didn't go to school. I didn't go to the school senior year, so I went homeschool for senior year. I got tired of it. I got my first ever detention in junior year, so I said nope. Because it was a new teacher. It was so stupid because it was a new Spanish teacher, and the way she worked is she doesn't grade your papers until the next day. So basically, if you don't turn in your homework, you get lunch detention, and then if you're in lunch detention for a week, then you get a real detention. And whenever I turned in my work, she's like, "Oh, I'm not going to grade it until the next day." And I'm like, I almost freaking cried when I told her. I'm like, I'm going to be getting a detention then, and she's like, "What do you mean?" So after that, I was like, "No, I'm done. I'm not dealing with this anymore." Yeah, lots of people in the U.S. have Chromebooks. Were you guys able to hear any of the sounds during the stream? Well, that's good because I had the speaker literally right next to the microphone, hoping that it would actually go through. I thought it would only go through if I was talking, but I was not sure at all. Huh? The heck, Super Wow? How did that happen? How did it freaking melt? What? You just see RGB in the background in the right corner. You don't know? That's weird. I don't think I've ever actually had that happen before. I did have a bird chew through one of my wires, but not melting wires. That's a little odd. No, Sumcat, I'm not wearing my headset. That's my water or my liquid cooler. What? Journey, that's news to me. No more car. It was a long time ago back when you worked at the Boys and Girls Club. Dang, 21 likes. Thank you guys. Thank you so much for the likes. I think here in about 3 minutes I'll shut the stream off. Well, yeah. What doesn't burn in fire? I wish I had something to actually play. But I don't think I have any video. Oh, that's overheating. It didn't actually, like, catch fire, though. Let's see. We got new volume. No, I don't have any videos on here. Wait, I just realized it doesn't even have the freaking Windows XP welcome thing either. So I just randomly got the song in my head. Some cat, I know YouTube takes a portion of the money. If you want donations, if you want to donate, there's a link in the description you can donate to. Or if you use Cash App, my cash tag is all over Windows. Because for some reason the donation thing only does $3 or more. It won't let you go below it, which is weird. Cash App doesn't require a social security number. It didn't ask me for my social security number. No, it didn't ask me for mine. Maybe it's a state thing. Maybe Texas requires you to have it when you use that app. All it asked me was for my email or phone number. Am I really only 250 subs away? Wow, I didn't even realize that. I knew I was close, but dang. You made a game called Game. That's funny. Journoid made a game called Angels and Demons. I don't even know why he brought it up, but maybe, Journey, maybe. I said I was looking for something to play. No, I'm not talking about a game. I was talking about a video. Yeah, no, I was talking about a video or a music to play on the computer to see if it could actually run it. Well, I got plenty of videos I could play. I just don't feel like transferring them over. Especially because I'm going to leave the stream soon anyways. I'm getting sleepy. I'm running out of energy. I don't know why when you said Scarlet Fire, for some reason I thought it was like Old MacDonald. But instead of Old MacDonald, it was a Scarlet Fire had a whatever. Otis sounds like that movie that used to be my favorite when I was a kid, whenever I was a baby, called Milo and Otis. Back to the barnyard. It's 7:23 p.m. Wow. Actually, some cat, I'm pretty sure he's 5 hours ahead of us. Pretty sure he is. Or, I mean, he could be 5 hours behind. How the heck is it Friday whenever it's not even Thursday for us? It's Wednesday right now. I'm pretty sure it's supposed to be Thursday for you. Pretty sure you're supposed to be Thursday, not Friday. There you go. I was right. Yeah, see, he's ahead of us. Yeah, he's 13 hours ahead of us, I think. No, 13 hours ahead of Central Time, whatever that is. He's very far ahead of us, somehow. Yeah, it's still Wednesday for us. Alright, well, I think I'm going to end the stream. I'm starting to lose my energy because I didn't get much sleep. I got like 4.5 hours of sleep. Oh, yeah, that's true, but I have been reminded of time. Yeah, that's true. Journey, you never get out of the house. Alright, I'm going to shut my mouth. Thank you guys for joining the stream and all the likes. I appreciate it. You guys can probably talk in chat as long as you want. Honestly, even after I end the stream, you can stay in the chat and talk a little bit. But, so yeah, thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you guys later. Goodbye, guys.